I will try to record all of lectures, all of explanations, and you can also ask some questions during the lecture. First of all, today's lecture is like introduction to this subject. I will show you some previous year students examples of work, and I will show you what's the difference between augmented and virtual reality. And also this subject is a part of CG track, which include some uh, subjects from computer graphics. Those who already uh, finish these subjects, you can use your own 3D content in augmented and virtual reality. That's why the subject in this CG track, because all of subjects, for example, object modeling, character design, and VFX and filmmaking can combine to the one project in, for example, in augmented or virtual reality. It's like a little puzzles come together into one production project. For example, you can learn how to 3D model and 3D models used in augmented reality, 3D models used in virtual reality. That's why we have several subjects and in the end, for example, for your diploma work, you can build some huge project by using all of these skills which you learned from this subject. Uh, and also this practical usage of computer graphics and what is different between virtual and augmented reality. Virtual reality is when person enters in completely remote artificial world. For example, you build your own world and you put user inside of this experience. Virtual reality, instead of uh, simple games from the PC, uh, uh, which is different. In virtual reality, you almost inside of this world. You use all of your senses to interact with this built world, totally 3D world. And this technology creates an environment that tests a person through his senses, sight, hearing, and even touch. The environment in created using computer modeling. Well, I already uh, you build your own world and put the person inside of this world by using some devices. Augmented reality is a technology that allows you to add virtual objects in the real world. For example, you see some viral reels in Instagram where you can see some flying 3D objects into our real world. This is the augmented reality. But the ways how you can create this augmented reality is a huge ways to create this augmented reality. You can create it by After Effects, for example, by using only VFX things from computer graphics. Or you can create some application which allows you to interact with these 3D objects in real world. Uh, we will create the second one. We will create some uh, applications which allows you to put some 3D objects, or it can be some videos, uh, all of from computer graphics into the real world, and you can interact with these objects. And we will learn how to create these projects. Uh, from this subject, you will create several types of projects, and all of these marks will be only for your projects. No marks for the attendance, no marks for the some tests, except of final exam text test. Um, I can even show you our table where you can find um, our projects. And by during the lecture, I will also tell you some um, uh, describe all of these steps one by one. Uh, we have 15 weeks, and for the first attestation, we will learn how to create augmented reality. On the second attestation, we will focus only on the virtual reality. And for the final exam, you will create your own project according to our course. For example, we will learn how to create augmented reality, and you can create project uh, by using these skills from augmented reality. Uh, if you're interested in virtual reality, you can create a virtual reality project for the final exam. Uh, Test will cost uh, 20 points, and a project will also cost 20 points. Uh, I will show you some examples which projects was created in the previous year, and also we can during the lecture discuss the lecture and your projects, and you can use practice hours to discuss your ideas for the final project. Uh, Final project you will do it by yourself. The course project, um, uh, these tasks, you will do it with me. I will show you examples. You will do it the same way with your own content. But the final project, you do it by yourself. Uh, we have some new in this week, in this course, in this year. Previous year we use some Spark AR technology, but now Spark AR technology is closed. Meta tell us on the previous week that they closed this program, and now we know not available to work with the Spark AR. That's why I decided to add some new project. For example, we have first IR demo, which was 2 points in the previous year, but now it will be cost 5 points. And animated AR will be also cost 5 points, and the interactive AR 10 points, like in the previous year. But we have some application like I will show you example of this application. In the previous year it was 7 points, but now it will be 10 points. And we have even less tasks from the previous year. For example, in the previous year we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tasks for augmented reality, but now we will have 1, 2, 3, only 4 tasks. It will be a little bit more easier, I think, in this year. But we will learn something new. Instead of this Spark AR technology, we can learn some Snapchat. Maybe you will try by yourself create Snapchat masks. Snapchat has their own augmented reality studio, which is called Lens. Uh, Lens Studio, and you can try it by yourself, but not for the marks because it's new for us. We will not test this technology, and we're not sure that it will work smoothly like with Spark AR technology. That's why we will learn it like enthusiasm in the enthusiasm way, maybe. I forgot how it calls in English. Sorry. Uh, do you have any questions for now? Everything is on. Yes. Bonus points. Uh, Maybe for the Snapchat usage, or maybe for the great content and. For example, you can create work like me, or you can create your work even more. How it calls? coolest way, with the creative way, add something new function to your project, and you will get some bonus points. The one rule for this subject, uh, you should not cheat and use projects from the previous year. Students, you should do it by yourself, show your progress in the practice to prove that is your project, that you do it by yourself. If I found that your project is cheating, you will get some 0 points, maybe for the subject, maybe for the task. It's according to your participation and attendance and interest in the subject. That's why if you attend the classes and be active, you can get some good points. Even you do something, or even you don't understand programming, for example, you can ask, you can try, and you can get marks if even if you very new in the, for example, programming. Yes. Yes, in the end of final examination, for example, we have 15 weeks. During these 15 weeks, we will get some 60 points for all of these labs in semester. And for the project, you will show something built by your own. Um, it should be finished work, and you can do it even during the final exam date. For example, you can use all of your free time even until the date of exam. The deadline for this project will be our examination day. And in the examination day, we can write a test for the 30 minutes. Test will be based on our lectures. If you attend lectures, you can pass the test in the easiest way. It's like test will be like mostly not of your knowledges and skills, but of your attention, and test will prove that all of your work was done by yourself. And the project, we have some showcase in the examination date, and we will test your applications. We can play your VR games during the examination. And the mark will consist of creativity, how it works. For example, it should work smoothly, and there maybe I hope that's all. Creativity and stable work. Индивидуально. Для каждого. The project you will do by yourself. It can be not huge, but it should be like you sell this project to some business, and even you add some new functions or finish this project, you can sell it in the market or publish anywhere. For example, if you want to create a VR game for the final project, you can create only one level. But if you will continue do this project, you can create diploma work by this project. But for the diploma work, it should be much more effort on this project. instead of the final exam project. The idea of the project is like this way. For example, in the previous year, I have three teams for diploma work, and they use augmented reality technology. First team was create some navigation, indoor navigation in our university. I can show you example of this work. And the project for the augmented reality also was connected with this diploma idea, for example. But the graphics, it's not good. They have not they have some problems during diploma work creation because of navigation system in augmented reality is very how it calls very difficult to create the stable application, and they buy some additional plugins to create this example of navigation system. This was made with Unity, Vuforia plugin, and some Matterport plugin for scanning our university. Uh, During the lecture, I will also describe uh, which, which types of augmented reality we have and how it works. And this one was example of indoor navigation. And this is a particular usage of this technology. And the second project is like interactive colorer. Bless you. And now we have 3D model, and the texture from this 3D model gets from our paper, and you can draw whatever you want, and it project this texture to 3D model. And also, this project was made by the augmented reality technology and Vuforia. We will learn how to use Vuforia. And also, I have my colleague Dmitry. He 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 was there on the start in the beginning of the lecture, but in this subject he did not have time to teach you VR, and I will try to explain more about technology by myself. But in the previous year, we divide this subject. I am a professional in the augmented reality. He is professional in the virtual reality, and that's why I'm always talk about augmented reality. And during the lecture, I also will tell you my experience in the projects in augmented reality. This was some diploma works. Now you will now you understand our curriculum, our plans, and for the virtual reality, we will have some one project, but divided into steps. Uh, First step is VR setup. Second step, we will learn how to create VR interactions. Uh, Next step, we will learn how to create VR movement. And final step, we will try to use VR UI. Maybe during the lectures, we will improve this part according to our new opportunity to use real VR headset. And during the lectures, we can experiment in this technology also. But for the creation of a VR experience, we also use Unity. Unity and some uh, libs from Meta for the Oculus Quest. And according to the devices, we have Oculus Quest 2. I have my own Oculus Quest 2, and we have in Game Lab some devices. We can ask to use them. Uh, do you have any questions according to the tasks? Uh, all of these tasks you will submit in the Teams. During during the weeks, I will add tasks in the Teams, and you can submit your project into these Teams. But one rule, you need to defend your work on practice, and then you will get marks. Okay. And yes, it will be the similar to VFX and previous subjects such as object modeling, character design, and the common scheme in all of these CG tracks almost the same. We have Teams group, we have Telegram group, and in Teams group we have tasks where you can submit your work. And also, what else? On the next week, I will open attendance. This week is a drop period, and I will not put some absence for the lecture, for the practice. Only for the 1 week. On the next week, we will have some attendance. Next. Okay, let's move back to our presentation. Um, Augmented reality, we already see some examples. Virtual reality, I hope we will practice on the practice time when I bring my VR headset. And for the VR experience, we strongly need some devices. For example, we can see this Oculus Quest and some HTC Vision, or maybe some maybe else. There is a lot of equipment in our market, but uh, most popular is Oculus Quest. It's even an Almaty. You can try Oculus Quest in some VR room quests, maybe in some malls. And through this headsets, we can feel this experience in virtual reality world and interact with them through the controllers. And except of virtual reality, augmented reality, we have mixed reality. Uh, do you know that Apple invented some device which allows you to work both in augmented and virtual reality? This is Apple Vision Pro or maybe Apple Vision. By using this headset, you can try to you can interact in the real world and into the in virtual reality world in the same time. And this technology also called like mixed reality, MR. And also we have the term like it calls extended reality. Extended reality is a general term for technologies that somehow involve new realities and virtual and augmented reality and mixed reality together. This is a common term for all of this technology. And also the common term for all of this technology, it's called metaverse. Metaverse invented from I think from Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg, he first created his own way how to sell this technology to the people and call it Meta. Even rename his company into this way and now it calls Meta. Metaverse was very popular before the war, I think, because uh, uh, nowadays situation in the world is very how it calls very sad and all of these projects in the metaverses now starting to close. For example, even Spark-R technology close in the January, in the next year January, and even my project was closed, which is called Mobstar. It was startup in Germany. Uh, Now they also don't have some investments from the investors because nowadays world focus on in the different way, not in the metaverse. But I hope it will end and this technology will be more popular because of a lot of devices invented, a lot of money was invested in these technologies. For example, my work experience in this technology from 2012, and every year we have some different difficulties in this technology. For example, we have some COVID, we have some maybe crisis every time, but this technology still improves and new devices still invented. And I hope augmented reality and virtual reality will have some bright future and you can learn how to do it by yourself. And this technology becomes more, how it calls, more better and better because we have a lot of um, devices. We have now our smartphones have much more how it calls память, не помните? Memory. For example, when we start to use augmented reality technology, our mobile phones have a less of memory, and it was a huge obstacle to create cool content in augmented reality because the 3D content weighs a lot and cost a lot of memory usage of your phone. But now we have smartphones, we have a lot of terabytes in our memory, and we can create very interesting projects, and we can use this technology to sell in advertisement way, in education, and also in even in medicine, for example. Um, okay, augmented reality was invented in 1992. First usage of this technology was very simple. The Boeing factory assembles their interface to help some um, to help their employment to build the Boeings, and these augmented reality schemes will help to avoid mistakes during the assembling Boeing. And they still use augmented reality in the huge maintenance sphere. For example, we have uh, BOM, we have some magic leaps technology that will help you to create um, a huge augmented reality experience in the plants even. And this headset for the
Effectively
augmented
managing a
reality
large
will
project
help you
requires
to
vision.
navigate into the huge plants.
That's why the Javits Center recently teamed up with Siemens and Magic Leap to bring their facility into the modern era.
Interact with the plants.
With Magic Leap 2, reshape a massive operation at scale and monitor a complex ecosystem in real time. Seamlessly collaborate with colleagues or clients so that guaranteeing quality and consistency is easy. Train new staff to standards only unlocked by spatial computing. And when maintenance issues arise, locate the problem and fill work orders fast. The specialist you need, always by your side. There's now a tool that can bring the most intricate system under your control. Welcome to Now. Welcome to Magic Leap.
To switch on or switch off your projector by using your device. This is also, I will tell you about Internet of Things. And this is practical usage. But we don't have some Magic Leap device. That's why. And also we have one. What? Recommend. What this? Uh, Maybe I have some project. Vera indoor navigation. This is the same project, Resonate Vera, that you can use your digital assistant to interact with the buildings. And also this is augmented reality technology that you can use your device to interact with some spaces. For example, we have Internet of Things. You can set up your smart house and program it with your augmented reality interface. But this technology works only in this building because you need to program all of these interactions. You need to scan all of these places to interact with this world. Uh, Augmented reality technology is very sensitive for the surroundings. How it works? Augmented reality scan our real world and add content which consists only to this environment. For example, you have a lot of markers, and for each marker, you will have their own content. And our application scan your maybe marker, scan your environment, and analyze which content must be shown in this real world place. For example, we have some marker, we have our device, our application, and we have virtual object. And virtual object plays in entire this marker, or entire this building, or entire this place. Even if you use Instagram mask, your face is also marker for the content which is present in the Instagram. For example, we have different types of markers. We have some paper, maybe it can be some QR codes, it can be some black notes, and maybe some, how it calls, journals, and we can put 3D content on this surface, on this marker. Or we can use our real world and scan this real world and create as a marker. Even we can use even some car like a marker. But first we need to add this car into our application and tell the application that is marker and put some content to this particular car. That is the main scheme of work of augmented reality. And here we can see some examples of usage of this technology. Augmented reality can be used in the education, military, medicine, aviation, gaming, and advertisement sphere. In the education helps to show in the real world some experiments. For example, some students in the previous year create my diploma project by using some experience in physics. They get book for the physics and create some different content for this book. And the students can read this book and try experience by using augmented reality technology. It brings more engagement during the lessons, during the practice, and this technology helps to increase knowledge and spread some borders in the subjects, for example. Even we have some augmented reality in the products, which tell you some interesting information that is not shown anywhere. You can show advertisement in the product, even you can scan it. Or maybe, for example, you have some journal, but you have in this journal you have some interesting not shown anywhere exclusive content inside of this journal by scanning some augmented reality. Or even you have some menu in the restaurant and you didn't see some real size of the dishes, and you can scan the menu of the restaurant and see how it will looks like in the when you order it. For example, we have some interesting cases by using this case in our Almaty restaurant, but it was in the 2015. A lot of time ago, but it was interesting. And also we have augmented reality in games. We have maybe Pokemon Go. Do you play this game? Yep. Yes, and you was trying to catch the Pokemons, and you can try to catch Pokemons in the augmented reality also. And the usage of augmented reality is very huge, and even we have some new devices like Apple Vision, and we can add some more indoor navigation cases by using this technology together, maybe. The experience is very, how it calls, the creative not, don't have borders, I think, in this technology. And what are the types of augmented reality? Uh, Augmented reality, according to their mechanics of interaction, can be divided in the several ways. We have some marker-based technology, we have some location-based when we use real world like a marker. We can use face detection when you can use add some augmented reality into your face. And also we have some um, I think when you use some augmented reality on the subjects, like a car. Uh, as I said, it's marker-based, markerless. When you use only the surface, the person's face, according to the geopositions and geolocations, it's location-based, and interactions with the physical objects. Also, physical objects can be some buildings. If you scan this building and use as a marker. Uh, the technology is even not stops on the one place, and every year it's a lot of new tools which allows you to create augmented reality experience. For example, uh, on the 2012 here we have only Vuforia. Now we have a lot of uh, Air Foundation, Air Core, Air Kit. These libraries help you to build more interactable augmented reality. And also we have Easy AR. There is a lot of tools which helps you to create this experience. And also I told you about some common common tools and what we will use during these classes. We will use Vuforia because it's free. It's have a lot of tutorials how to build augmented reality. We have Unity, which works with Vuforia together. And the last projects we will create by using Air Foundation. Air Foundation help you to use devices with depth camera. Depth camera help you to use uh, your flat surface like a marker and put their 3D content. For example, before I use markers and scan the marker and put the content to the marker. I can show you some Vuforia markers, like example. And we will use all of these two technologies to create projects. On the second lecture, we start use Vuforia engine and Unity. And here we have some target manager. In the target manager, we can create, we can put some different images which we can use as a marker. Marker for this technology is like these little stars that help you to track this paper. For the marker-based augmented reality technology, you should print this marker and use your camera and put this camera onto the marker, and you will see your content. But you can use maybe some how it calls not printed marker from other devices maybe like, but it should be flat and not reflectable. And these stars augmented, which is called augmentable. When you have 5 stars, that will be a good, very fast scan and very stable connection with this paper. I can show you example of usage of this technology, marker-based. Just 1 minute. Yes, we have some example how it works. We have some magazine. In this magazine, we have some music. For example, by using this and for the dishes, we have also some example recorded. It was 7 years ago. But the technology is already how it's called, work stable and interesting to present to the customers. And what else? You can use some, for example, calendar, like a business idea, and sell this calendar to your customers with augmented reality. Just 10 years ago.
Everything changes.
Like a parallel ticket. When you have some window and looking through the window and see the world in different papers.
Life.
3D objects into the augmented reality content, but also and video, some audio. You can put some buttons on the buttons with link to the landing pages or maybe some interesting information. This technology commonly used in the branding, for example, in the augmented reality, when the customers can sell their products in different way and create some wow effect for their customers or for their partners. Even augmented reality was used in the Forbes journal, and they put into this journal some exclusive information for their customers. And what else? Now we can see some market-based technology. When we use AR Foundation, we don't need to use some marker. I will show you some example of IKEA Catal ER, and you can see how to use IKEA application and to put
Скачайте
some...
Glovo, закажите еду,
Sorry.
продукты, товары для здоровья и все что
I should
угодно.
buy
Hello and welcome to Flutter.
some new premium YouTube to avoid some advertisement. Not this. This one. This
Hey,
is also used in advertisement, but the usage of this application is particular. For example, you have to buy some new sofa, and you need to try this sofa in your interior. And you can use this application and try this sofa by using augmented reality.
Kia would like everyone to know about Place, our new augmented reality app. Built on Apple's new AR kit, you can easily place true-to-scale 3D models of IKEA furniture in your place. Scan, browse, select, move, and place. So that could mean less of this. And less of this. And probably more of this. We want to make it easier for people everywhere to imagine a better place. Share this place. And this place. Try Place in your place.
When I called AR Foundation and AR Core, we will build the same application by ourselves and try to get 3D objects into our real world and try marketless technology. In this case, we have some obstacles in development because not all of the devices support this technology. Only, for example, this technology supports with only LiDAR technology. For example, when your device have some depth camera, for example, you can find does support this technology your device or not support. AR Foundation supported devices. And that's why in our lab we have several tablets which help you to test this task by using these tablet devices, which is support AR Core and ARKit for the AR Foundation. And here we have a lot of devices which support this depth API, but not all of the devices which have supported this technology. If you have supported this technology device, you can test it by your device, or if you not support, you can test it on the practice time by using our devices. What else? We have some special application and platforms that help you to create your own augmented reality without programming skills. Do you remember in the beginning of the lecture, I told you about some Spark AR technology. Spark AR technology allows you to build your augmented reality without any programming skills. This is some Spark AR technology example.
Nestlé Baby and Me – ваш помощник в самых важных вопросах.
Всем
This is a Sketchfab where you can find some 3D models. You can download it by free. And by using the Spark AR, you can easily create your augmented experience by using this Spark AR Studio. And here's a lot of tutorials how you can create some face tracker and put some 3D objects onto your face. And you can test this AR experience in your Instagram. And also Instagram mask. You can see. It calls also filters. You can wear some hats, glasses onto your face. Something like this. And this stack of technology helps you to easily create your own experience in augmented reality, even if you don't have skills in programming. And we have Lens Studio, which also has some their own builder, which helps you to create the same experience, but test them into the Snapchat. I think we can try it maybe on the week 5 or week 6. There is also a lot of tutorials how to create these masks. And try also by using this Spark AR Studio and Lens Studio, you can use depth camera to put objects not only on your face but in the real world environment, like with this dog, and interact with them, move around, and he will still in this place. And this still in the place, like in Air Foundation, for example. They scan our environment and put 3D content into the flat space. And we don't have any need to print markers and put into the floor and scan it and interact with this. The technology improves every time. This is the Lens Studio. And also, we have small companies which use augmented reality in their business. For example, Zap AR. Zap AR also help you to create your own augmented reality experience, not only their pre-created. And by using this Zap AR, all of designers can create their own experience in augmented reality. But some of them cost some price and have their own purchases, in-app purchases, maybe. Spark AR was free to use and free to publish into the Instagram. Maybe that's why they're closed now because of financial usage or useless. I don't know. But this is very interesting technology. From my side, this is my favorite technology. That's why I can tell about augmented reality a lot. And also, VR technology is also very interesting. But to sense and interact with VR technology, we need device, and this is a one obstacle that can ruin your experience. If you don't have device, you are not in the VR technology. But if you have even your mobile phone, you can be into the AR technology. You should to download the special application, and that's all. You don't need to buy special devices which cost a lot. And also, instead of Zapier, we have some what called Mapstar. Mapstar AO. It's also a startup in the augmented reality creation application. By using the Mapstar, you can use indoor navigation augmented reality. For example, they scan our, for example, class. By using their application, you can put 3D content inside of this scanned area, and by using their application, you can switch to the augmented reality mode and see this augmented reality experience easily. I think this is a very brand new technology way of usage of this technology. I'm very sad of their that they're close also. But this is unfortunately situation in our world and economic situation because of this startup from Germany, and in Germany there is some obstacles to find some financial for such startups. They have own editor which helps you to create augmented reality. There is no boundaries of creativity. You can put your own 3D models into this scanned area. You can create some new VFX effect and put them into this application. And only what you need to download this application. And your customers should also download this application and be in this place, for example, and experience this augmented reality. We can also find some YouTube which shows you this augmented reality. YouTube video, sorry. It was event which calls FMX in Stuttgart, and here you can find some interactable objects. There is no VFX, it's this technology. And in Instagram Reels, we have a viral reels with the same mechanics, but there are only VFX and rendered video. But this one is interactable. You can around this and feel it's like this bird in the real life. And here's some videos inside of this application. And also we have indoor navigation by using this application. First of all, they scan this place, put this place into the digital world, digital twin it calls, and put 3D content inside of this. And you can interact with this, navigate, and take fun in this commercial. For example, this avatar shows you the way to the store. And also, they have VR experience according to this AR experience at the same time. That's why they call their experience XR, which mixed all of these technologies, AR and VR together. And also we have some car inside of the mall. The same place, but different content. And you can interact with the car, for example. Put the car, put some VFX, put some information, and this is a case of usage of augmented reality. This mechanics calls markerless indoor navigation and localization, то есть when you can use local area as a marker. I think we're almost done with lecture. And as I said, told you during our lectures, we will use Vuforia, Unity, Air Foundation. And in the second attestation, we will use some Unity and libraries for XR, which will help us to create some VR experience for Oculus Quest. If you don't have any questions, we can stop this lecture.